Welcome to this quick video about lighting in Blender. Someone asked me in the comment what is this the lighting system I used to create this scene in Blender 2.8. So here is the scene with the model of headphones, and I added the cube as a background. So you have to delete 3 faces of the cube and put it behind the model and add a subdivision surface here. And for the lighting, I just use a 2 area light here. So to add an area light, press Shift A and go to light and choose area, and you can move it and put it in the place you want on the scene. For the properties, I did not change any property of the area light, so I just used the default properties. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Give me feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see the next video.